Yo, aloha everybody. It is like I don't know what time it is, but it's in the morning, a little bit after 9, but before noon. Um, obviously. But anyways, I'm gonna go on a hike. I know this video was mostly running progressions that I've been doing, but yeah, I haven't hiked in a while. I thought to make a video hiking, and I also have the New Balance Hero. I've had this. See the tag still on there? I had this for about I want to say like 3 months, and I didn't get to use it yet, so I'm using it now. Ashley's finally letting me go and get out there and just let my mind wander, in the jungle. So yeah, I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to Waimano Falls, and shouldn't be too long. I think it's like a 2-3 hour hike, so I should be able to beat traffic on my way back. But that's not gonna happen if I don't leave. So yeah. So nobody's on the trail, but yeah guys, so what's your goals for 2026? So ideally though, like some of my goals are to get fitter, get a few certifications, get promoted. I work in IT, so just to let you guys know. Yeah, just better myself in general, so I can be around for my family and provide. Living in Hawaii is tough. It is very tough. But yeah, I've never, or not I never, but I haven't been on this hike in quite some time. I think I don't know where the other couple went. So I'm pretty sure you can figure this out, but most waterfalls start with you going down on the decline or downhill to the river, and then the actual hiking is when you're coming back and having to go up the trail. Yep. So far, the New Balance Heroes putting in work. Haven't slipped yet. Probably spoke too soon. Chill the fuck out, man. All right, 12:31. Let's get up this hill. All right, let's call it here. 12:40. 12:40. All right. Maybe I can do it faster next time. Gonna get a little bit hungry. All right, story time. So hopefully you guys can hear me. I have the original Magic. I have the original DJI Mavic Mini. No, wait. No, it's the DJI Mavic Pro, and it still works great. It works fine. But the, you know, like after seeing like the Mini 4K and the whatever the new one is, I kind of wanted it. And then so I started looking into the specs and stuff, and then like the drone is so much smaller, but the controller is like 2 times the size of my Mavic Mini. I mean my Mavic Pro. Like, what's the point of that? So I'm kind of holding on to the Mavic Pro, and yeah, seeing how long it lasts. I have 2 batteries, and the batteries are still pretty healthy. Okay, sorry, I put you guys away because a group walked past me. We were coming up, and still feel kind of awkward talking to a camera. But yeah, so for those of you that have like the new DJI Minis, how do you guys like it? I mean, aside from the controller being big, I know the low light's better. I mean, in general, everything video and image wise is, I think, twice as good as my Mavic Pro, but just the controller size, man. I mean, I know it comes with an LCD screen now, but you already have your phone, and I don't know, just can't decide. I mean, it's not like I get to go out much these days anyways. Like, I go on runs, but it only takes like an hour. So, and I haven't gone fishing in a while, unfortunately. But yeah, guys, let me show you guys the view. Okay, I'm done filming. I'll let you guys back up when I get to the car. Shoes were cherry.